E-Light Skin Rejuvenation Treatment. Remove makeup. Clean face. Let the treatment receiver wear a pair of black glasses. The treatment performer needs to put on the protective goggles. Press E-Light button and choose needed treatment. Here we choose Skin Rejuvenation Treatment. Choose corresponding piece of glass of the treatment. Here we choose 640 nm glass. Set parameters. 20 to 40 energy level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Cooling energy 3 to 5. Make adjustment based on individual endurance. Press Ready button to begin the treatment. Make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. During treatment, press the button on the handpiece to release energy. Perform the treatment from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear center, and nose vein to temple in a stamping manner 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Perform the treatment from eyebrow towards hairline in a stamping manner 3 times. Wipe gel off from face. Clean face. Apply face mask 15 minutes. Remove face mask and clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, or other skincare products. Take this treatment on a monthly basis. One course of treatment includes 4 treatment sessions. Please note, do not expose the target area to overheated water within a week after treatment. Protect your skin from strong sun rays. RF treatment to lift the skin. Press RF button. Choose proper working head according to the size of the target area. Set parameters. 5 to 15 energy level is recommended. Choose continuous mode for face and pulse mode for small areas like eye area. Continuous mode is recommended in this treatment. Cooling energy 3 to 5. Make adjustment based on individual endurance. Press Ready button to begin the treatment. Apply gel evenly to face. Make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. During treatment, press and hold the button on the handpiece to release energy. Move the handpiece from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear center, and nose vein to temple 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move the handpiece from eyebrows towards hairlines 3 times. Wipe gel off from skin. Clean face. Apply face mask 15 minutes. Remove face mask and clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, or other skincare products. SHR treatment. Use a shaver to remove body hair from the target area. Apply gel evenly to the target area. Set parameters 20 to 40 NS level is recommended. Cooling energy 3 to 5. Make adjustments based on individual endurance. Press Ready button to begin the treatment. Make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. Each time you press the button on the handpiece, there will be anti-output acting on skin. Perform the treatment in a stamping manner on every inch of the target area 3 times. Take one treatment every 28 to 45 days. Please note, do not expose the target area to overheated water. Have a good skin protection against the strong sun rays. YAG treatment. Black face treatment. Choose a black walking head. Remove makeup. Clean face. Cover eye area with wet tissue. Apply hot steam to eye area for 10 minutes to temporarily expand pore size. Stop applying hot steam. Apply carbon cream evenly to face. Wait for the cream to get dry. Let the treatment receiver wear a pair of black glasses. The treatment performer needs to put on protective goggles. Press YAG button. Choose proper walking head for this treatment. The black walking head is recommended in this treatment. Set parameters 500 to 1000 NS level is recommended. Make adjustments based on individual endurance. 3 to 6 Hz frequency is recommended. Press Ready button to begin the treatment. Direct the working head at the target area with a distance of 3 to 5 cm. Step on the paddle switch to perform the treatment from chin until carbon powder on face disappears. Apply face mask 15 minutes. Remove face mask and clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, or other skincare products. Take this treatment on a monthly basis. One course of treatment includes 4 treatment sessions. Please note, do not expose the target area to overheated water within a week after treatment. Protect your skin from strong sun rays.